Hi guys, happy night before the test. Wanted to give you guys a couple of heads up for tomorrow. So your test is going to be over on Schoology. You will need the distance formula and the midpoint formula. So make sure you have those available to you and make sure they're written down correctly. Distance formula has the x's being subtracted. The midpoint formula has them being added, so they are different. So make sure you have those available to you. You're going to use it a lot. The other thing I want to talk about with the test is that tests are not retakeable. So quizzes, totally fine to retake as long as you've done those quiz corrections. But tests are not. So you get what you get. Obviously, there's some room for talking about what, if in case you don't do very well, there are some people that can get retakes, but those we will talk about separately and privately. Another thing is you have until 11:59 tomorrow night to take it, so please make sure that you are taking it when you are ready. The minute you press attempt, your time starts, and it is timed. So don't press it and then go out to dinner and then come back and it's going to be closed. And then after 11:59 tomorrow night, it is going to close, so you need to make sure that you are getting it done tomorrow. You guys did awesome on your quiz. I think I only had, no, I think everyone took it. So great job on your quiz. Let's keep it going with this test. Last thing is that we are going to be starting a new unit on Monday. And with the new unit comes a new note packet and assignment packet. And if you are interested in stopping by and grabbing the note packet and the assignment packet, stop in room 308. I'll have them on the front table here in my room. So if I'm not in here, you're more than welcome to stop in, grab one of each. They're going to be the only two things. I'll have two separate piles. They'll be the only two things on that front little table as soon as you walk in by the hand sanitizer little push station. So stop in tomorrow, grab that, or grab it on Monday because I don't know when you guys do your notes and stuff like that. So, but you definitely will need an assignment packet, or I'll be posting the assignment packet on Monday. Any questions that you have on the test reviews, I am available for the rest of the evening. Reach out, get those questions answered, and I hope that you guys do really well tomorrow. Good luck on your first test.